We welcome you to this new Arabic course. Now, in Arabic, the nouns decline. Declension of noun. In Arabic, nouns decline. You already know it, but you have never realized it. Why? You have never realized this. Why? Now I will give you examples. Brother? Muhammadun Rasulullah. Muhammad is the messenger of Allah. Ashhadu anna Muhammadan. Brother, why Muhammadan? Before you wrote Muhammadun, now you are writing Muhammadan. Okay. What will be the English? I bear witness that Muhammad, his slave, brother, and his messenger. Okay. Now, every day we say, many times, Allahumma. What is the meaning of Allahumma? Ya Allah. What is the meaning of Allahumma? Ya Allah. Allahumma salli. We say every day, Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin. Oh Allah, send your blessings on Muhammad. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Do you see any change in English where we wrote down Muhammad? We did not change anything in English. But what about in Arabic, brother? What's going on here? Sometimes you are saying dun, sometimes you are saying dan, sometimes you are saying din. What's going on? This is what we are going to learn and understand. What is the rule, brothers and sisters? That Arabic nouns decline. They have 3 different endings. They can end with a tanween dhamma or with one dhamma if there is al there. It can decline to tanween fatah, or if you have al, then it is one fatah, or it can decline to tanween kasra, or with alif and lam, with al, one kasra. Okay, brothers and sisters? So what is this, brother? Only the ending. Dun. What is it? Dun. And what is this? Dan. And what is this? Then. Say it again loudly. Dun. Dan. Then. These are the 3 declensions. Okay? Every Arabic noun will decline. Sometimes you will see it and sometimes you won't see it, but we are going to learn everything. And why it happens, brothers and sisters? This is what we are going to learn. And this is what you will be watching in the Quran. You will be looking. When you are reading, you will notice this. You will observe this, brother. And then it will tell us this last vowel sign in the noun will tell you the function of that noun in a sentence. What is that noun doing in a sentence? Is it coming as a subject? Is it coming as a subject of a verb? Is it coming as an object? Is it coming after a preposition? It will tell you. In its natural course, in its natural form, all the nouns are always end with a dhamma. All the time. They change when something happens in the sentence. When they perform a different function in the sentence, then they change, brother. Let's learn the terminology now. If the noun ends with a dhamma, be it a tanween or one. It should end with a dhamma. Huh? Be it a tanween or a single dhamma. It is called marfu. What is it called, brother? This you will have to memorize. Marfu. Huh? You will say the noun is marfu. Okay? What do you call it in English? You will call that it is in nominative case. Okay? Now if the noun ends with a fatha, be it a tanween or be it a one single fatha at the end of a noun, then we say it is mansoob. What is it, brother? It is mansoob. What do we call it in English? Either you call it objective case or accusative case. It's mentioned there. Huh? Objective case or accusative case. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Huh? But we will memorize these terms that I'm writing. Huh? Now if the noun ends with a kasra, be it a tanween or one, we will say the noun is majroor. Not majboor, huh? Majroor. Huh? Okay? Majroor. Majroorun. Are you with me? And in English it is called genitive case. Huh? Okay, brothers and sisters? So today, you must memorize marfu, mansoob, and majroor. We will repeat it every day. And brothers and sisters, this thing will stay with you all the time when you are reading Quran. It is in the back of your mind that the nouns can be marfu, according to the function it performs. It can be mansoob or it can be majroor. I made a little song, out of this. When I say dun, it's marfu. When I say dan, it's mansoob. When I say din, it's majroor. When I say dun, it's marfu. When I say dan, it's mansoob. When I say din, it's majroor. Therefore, dun dun dan dan din din, 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 dun dun dan dan din din.